Hello friends, you welcome to my complete Spanish course. In today's video lecture, we are going to learn estar verb, where to use and on which situation we use the estar verb. So let's see. Ser and estar both means is to be, but there are a lot of difference in using both. In the previous video, we already learned how to use ser. In this video, we are going to learn how to use estar verb. So the conjugation of estar, which means to be, this is estoy, estás, está, estamos, estáis, and están. Estoy means I am, estás means you are, esta means he or she is, estamos means we all are, estáis means you all are, and están means they are. So, number one, estar is used for temporary things like feelings. So, feelings is a temporary thing. Your moods also temporary thing. Emotions are the temporary thing. Physical condition, sometimes your physical condition is good, sometimes your physical condition is bad. So, this is also called the temporary thing. So, we use the estar. Or appearance, civil state like married, single, divorced, dead. All these things we use the estar verb conjugation. So there are certain points on which we use the estar verb: position, location, actions, conditions, and emotions. All these are the temporary things. So in these things we use the estar verb. So let's understand each one by one. Number one is position. So take an example for the position. My brother is seated. So in this situation, my brother position is seated. So for is we will not use the as, because as will be the ser verb conjugation. So for the positioning we use the estar verb conjugation. So we will make this sentence as mi hermano está sentado. Mi hermano está sentado. Here está is the conjugation of the estar verb. Next one is location. So before the understanding the location, there is a one note. The location of an event or party is described using ser, but not by using estar. Okay. So if any location like he is on the road, you will use the estar verb. El está en el camino. Camino means road, el means the, en means on, el está means he is. Next example is I am in the class. So my location is in the class. So estoy en la clase. Okay, but if we are talking about the location of any party, like today's party. So if we are talking about the party, then party is also location. But for describing a party's location, we use the ser verb conjugation. So we will make the sentence as La fiesta de hoy. La fiesta means the party. De hoy means of today's party. As means this as means is, and this as is the conjugation of the ser verb. As en la casa de mi amigo. Today's party is at my friend's house. Now, next one is actions. So, understand the how we use the estar verb in the actions. He is eating. He is eating. Él está comiendo. Él está comiendo. My uncle is dead. Mi tío está muerto. Mi tío está muerto. Next one is conditions. The thing that change according to time or in month or in year comes in this category. Example, I am sick. Estoy enfermo. Estoy enfermo. Sorry, estoy enfermo. Estoy enfermo means I am sick. Are you tired? Are you tired? Estás cansado. Estás cansado means are you tired? Next category is emotions. How a person is feeling at a certain moment is described using estar. Let's say an example. I am nervous. Estoy nervioso. Estoy nervioso. She is happy. Ella está feliz. Ella está feliz. So in this category, emotions comes in the estar category. So to describe the emotions, we use the estar verb conjugation. So friends, thank you for watching this video lecture. I hope you enjoy this video lecture and the previous video lecture. So in two videos lecture, you learn how to use the ser verb and how to use the estar verb conjugation. So thank you for watching this video lecture and watch my next video lecture for learning new things in Spanish. Thank you. Gracias.